as I have already announced, we will try to do the test on Friday, this week Friday, 17th. We will try to do the Ashtadhyayi, 4th Adhyaya, first Pada test. Anybody who couldn't take the test last time because of some reasons, like Sudha Srikanth, she couldn't take the test because of some emergency or something. She can take both the tests, Tritiya Adhyaya, 4th Pada, and this also you can finish.
टेस्ट शुक्रवासरे अस्ति वा?
शुक्रवासरे कुर्मः. किमपि क्लेशः वर्तते वा?
मम विद्यालयः भवति महोदय उदये.
कस्मिन् समये?
अस्माकम् उदयं 7:00.
Because I don't understand your time. 5 o'clock class time. Can you come and attend 5 first? You only can take the test. Like that, can it happen? So you book the first slot, or we will call you. Even if the slot is booked, we will call you first. So you can take the test first and you can finish it off. Anybody has got such emergencies, please you can let me know. We can do it.
Namaskara Mahodaya. Sneha api vidyalaya asti 7:00.
So what time she should be relieved according to you?
So 5 is 6:30. So 5:45 India time. 5:45 India.
So we definitely 5:30 we will release. Before 5:30 we will release Sneha and Varun. Okay. Sneha, Varun and Kirtana also. In case she is coming.
Yes, Kirtana also. Yeah. Okay. All three can go at 5.
First slots. You can book the first slot.
Thank you, Mahodaya.
Namaskar, sir. Actually, I'm Indian time.
5 o'clock, our class time.
5 o'clock. For me, Eastern time, 7:30. So for Central time, it will be 6:30 in the morning. So I don't know whether it's Central time or so Eastern time, New York, Texas, 6:30.
Sir, when are we to choose the slot, sir? When are we to choose the slot?
We will choose on Wednesday. The mail will come. You can choose on Wednesday.
Thanks.
Friday is the time. Any more questions, Panchanadam sir? Anything else you wanted to say?
So I'm giving you the. If you have a question, what the time is? For me, New York will be 7:30. Texas will be 6:30 a.m. So they have a class in their class. Then I have to do it first thing, 6:30. Then 7 o'clock they'll be free.
Right. We will do that, sir. Anybody from San Jose? That's like San Francisco. But anyway, they will be 5:30, right, sir?
Yeah, very early in the morning for them.
Anyhow, they will come late to the exam. We have 5 to 7 is the exam. 2 hour slot is there. Within that time, anybody from that side, from the western coast also can come. Okay. Normally we have chosen this golden hour, this period only, so that is useful for everybody. Okay. Now we will go for anybody who has not done the practice. So according to me, Varun is prepared. I'm going for the memorizers. Vihan, Pragun is done. Then Sumati is done. Vaishnavi, Kalyani, they are always ready. Then we have Sneha. Then we have Rupa Sudha. Memorizers who are there. Who else? Kirtana, I think. Then there are 2 more whom I don't remember. Okay, if the memorizers are ready, we have anyhow, this is a long gap we have given after the 4th pada because the number of sutras are more. We'll have to do it this time and go ahead. We have to go ahead. Test and other things. Now, next, anybody wants to chant now today or today? Sudha Srikanth. Okay, please go ahead.
Vyachah itascha linyah शुभ्रादिभ्यश्च विकर्णकुशीतकात् काश्यपे भ्रुवो भुक्च कल्याणादीनामिनं कुलटाया
पुनः वदतु
कल्याण्यादीनामिनं उलटाया वा चटकाया ऐरक गोधाया ढक आरगुदीचां क्षुद्राभ्यो वा पितुष्वसुश्छण ढकिलोपः मातृष्वसुश्च चतुष्पाद्भ्यो ढञ् गृष्टादिभ्यश्च गृष्ट्यादिभ्यश्च राजश्वशुराद्यत् क्षत्राद्घः कुलात्खः अपूर्वपदादन्यतरस्यां यड्ढकञौ महाकुलादञ्खञौ दुष्कुलाढ्ढक स्वसुश्चः भ्रातुर्व्यच्च व्यंसपत्ने रेवत्यादिभ्यष्ठक गोत्रस्त्रियाः कुत्सनेन च वृद्धाठक्सौ वीरेषु बहुलं हेश्च फाण्टाहृतिमिमिताभ्यां न फिञौ कुर्वाद्भ्योऽन्यः सेनान्तलक्षणकारिभ्यश्च उदीचामिञ्तिकादिभ्यः फिञ् कौशल्यकर्मायाभ्यां च अणोद्यचः कौशल्यकर्मा
कौसल्य सरस्वती सा
पुस्तकात् कौसल्यकर्मायाभ्यां च अणोद्यचः उदीचां वृद्धादगोत्रात् वाकिनादीनान् कुक्च पुत्रान्तादन्यतरस्यां प्राचामवृद्धात् भिन्बहुलं किञ्चित् मम मनोर्जातावन्यतौ शुक् अपत्यं तावदेव.
When you are reading slowly, for the sake of clarity in pronunciation, you have to declare in the exam that I am going to read slowly. That is very important because I know you from long time, therefore I can understand. But somebody who must have heard you for first time today, they would have thought that Sudhashri Khan Bhagini is now started learning Ashtadhyayi. So that thing should not come. So you should declare that I am going to read little slowly. The speed will be, that means slow means speed. With respect to the speed and the pronunciation, I am going to be little slow so that I can pronounce the letters perfectly. This declaration you should make. If I am not the judge who is judging you, please make it in front of them so that they don't give you less marks. See, one thing I will tell you, if they give less marks, I am not going to go to them and say, give more marks to Sudha, I know her very well. That is the last thing I will do. I will not even go there. So whatever marks they give, Bhagavan is taking care of everything. There are 32 padas to normalize everything. Bhagavan will normalize it. I know that. So I just wanted you to be aware of this factor. That's all. Dhanyavada Bhagini.
Sir, namaskar, sir. Is there a proper speed at which it has to be rendered, like follow Pavan's model? Or?
Yes. That is the speed with which it has to be rendered, and it has to be rendered in that manner. Everybody can refer the Ashtadhyayi audio, Pavan Mahodaya. Just yesterday I was speaking to Pavan Mahodaya. I was talking to him, telling him that his audio is being well received.
Yeah, he has a beautiful voice.
ञकारस्य बहवः उच्चारणाः सन्ति ञकारस्य. अत एव अहं किञ्चित् शनैः वदामि.
Astu. Perfectly right. Anybody else? Nobody is there. So I think other Parayana Kartas, everybody is ready, I believe. Venkateshwaran Gopala. Everybody is believe. I don't know the new people who have joined. Srivatsan. Some of the people who have joined newly. I don't know what they are going to do with respect to the test. We have the 4th Adhyaya Prathama Pada test on Friday. Full Pada memorization is one set of people who do memorization. There are one set of people who do Parayanam. So they have to decide and let us know. Anyway, you have to register for the exam. The mail will come to all of you.
I have done this twice earlier.
And you have already done, sir. You will be the first one in Parayanam to finish. Anyway, before also you have done practice also.
Yeah.
Okay. Others, if anybody wants to practice, we have 3 more days to go. You can practice. Either you want me to give a mock test, I can give you a mock test. That also you can. Whatever is possible in 3 days. But test will be on Friday. That much is sure.
Hariom Mohode. I'm Tripura Sundari. Joined very recently. Namaskaram. Now ஒரு 40 தான் நான் பார்த்து படிக்கிறதுக்கு கத்துன்னு இருக்கேன்.
I think I suggest that if you have joined one from past 1 month, I suggest you should take the test next time and leave this opportunity.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Those who have joined within last 15 days or 1 month, please you can take the next attempt.
Okay.
Namaste Mahodaya.
Dhanyawad.
Srivatsan. Solupa.
Yeah, I joined actually recently in September month. I didn't learned Prathama Adhyaya till Panchama Adhyaya till we are learning the sutra.
You have learned for 5 adhyayas already?
No, I didn't learn.
நீங்க எவ்வளவு படிச்சிருக்கீங்க?
முதல் அத்தியாயத்துல முதல் பாதத்துல 32 அந்த இது வரைக்கும் அந்த பெரிய இது துவந்தேச்ச அதுல அந்த இது வரைக்கும்.
So what is your plan? Where are you studying now, Srivatsan?
In Thiruvananthapuram.
Srirangam பக்கத்துலயா?
இல்ல திருவந்திபுரம், கடலூர், near பாண்டிச்சேரி.
கடலூர் பாடசாலையா?
Yeah.
Okay.
So know my father also actually. I'm thinking name is Krishnan.
Krishnan, no. சரி. ஆமா. சரி இப்ப புரிஞ்சுட்டேன்.
Yeah, his son.
So இப்ப என்ன பண்ணலாம்னு இருக்கேன்? நீங்க எனக்கு ஃபோன் பண்றீங்களா தனியா? Can you
sir number please.
நம்பர் தரேன் உங்களுக்கு.
I will message you or I will mail you, sir.
I will send a chat message to you.
Okay, sir. Okay.
You message me, I will reply to your.
Okay. धन्यवादः.
येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं. लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु.